I never got tagged as, we couldn't see her as an actress. That didn't happen with me, to be honest. Earlier age, I could have said, abhi karti hu, female centric, but aane bhi chahiye the, to be honest. But I think now great scripts also get offered to me. A month or two before my wedding. And maybe a month, less than a month. So there was so much going on in my mind. I'm too hard on myself. Yeah. And I know that. But then I'm like, and when I'm watching even the edit, I do not want anyone next to me. I think this was a week back where he sent me a picture of us from Desamudra. He's like, see, Hansu, we were so little.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm with the super gorgeous and talented Hansika Motwani. Hi.
Hello.
So nice to have you.
Thank you for having me.
And this is the first time we're speaking. And मुझे लगा कि I want to start right जहाँ से आपकी शुरुआत हुई थी, which was when you were very little. And you started off as a child actor. I know Puri Jagannath spotted you and then how the whole journey started. But आज अगर अपनी life को देखते अपनी वो journey को देखते हो तो what do you have to say about it?
I'm very grateful. I think I'm glad that my journey started so well and I started my career as a child artist. I do not have any godfather in the industry and I've never... no one from my family has been in the industry.
Yeah.
But this was a good kickstart and, gave me a way, gave me guidance. And I'm glad that I was a child artist and turned into an actress.
जब भी मैं कोई child actor से बात करती हूँ who's now like an actress, they say that often हमारी struggle ये होती है कि लोग हमें as a child actor इतना पसंद कर लेते हैं that it gets difficult to get out of the child actor mold. Was that ever a problem for you?
I was a child artist with a lot of work. I was just not one thing old types and then vanished. For me, I did couple of things as a child artist, and it really helped me. And I never got tagged as we couldn't see her as an actress. That didn't happen with me, to be honest.
You're doing so many films in a year. There are so many releases. The audience gets to see you very often and we love that. आपके लिए कितना difficult हो जाता है to manage schedules at the same time to switch roles from one another?
Well, as a child artist also, a lot of people used to say that it's very easy for Hansika and it comes naturally to me. After cut, I'm a different person. That's the beauty of my job. I get to play someone else every day and I don't get bored of it and I love my job. So for me, I take it as my strength that I can get into another character and be myself also. So for me, it's not very tough.
So what is in your mind when you go for these scripts? Are you like being very particular कि मुझे यही करना है and or are you being like जो अच्छा लगे वो?
तो अब जाके when I hear scripts, I hear scripts in terms of as an audience. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में. भले मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत पावरफुल हो और अगर मूवी थोड़ी मतलब सुनने में थोड़ा डर लगेगा तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. I have to enjoy the script as an audience.
We were just speaking off camera that you were actually one of the first जिसने सारी languages में films की है. And after you we've seen a lot of people do films in a lot of languages. When you were working down south and when the entire industry was not pan-India, अब जाके वो आया है and there was a lot of gap between industries, तभी लगा कि maybe I should try for Bollywood also because there was a lot of fame that you got through Shakalaka Boom Boom.
To be honest, my hands down south have been always so full that I've never thought कि मुझे यहाँ try करना चाहिए, मुझे वहाँ try करना चाहिए. To be honest, my love for acting is a lot. So as far as I'm in front of the camera and I'm emoting, I'm very happy. And language is no barrier for me. And I always say that I'm part of Indian cinema. Yeah. Now we are saying pan-India, Indian cinema, but I've been saying this for a while now.
Yeah. I was speaking to Rakul Preet last year and मैंने उनसे पूछा था कि क्या आपको लगता है because there's already so much love and your fan base down south, do you feel like you have a bit of an advantage over there?
The fact is, we do have a little more advantage, but it's also because we've given so many years and worked in so many more films down south there. So yes, that little advantage is there.
Even the fact that you've been doing a lot of female-centric roles, I wouldn't say female-centric, but roles जहाँ पे the female is the protagonist and they have a message. Is this a conscious decision? What makes you take up such films?
I've worked in the industry for so long now. It's almost 20 years, and it just feels great that, you know, producers and directors now feel that Hansika carry a female centric on her shoulders, and you know, it takes a lot. And I'm glad that I can come in that phase, and this phase has happened so soon in my life.
Yeah.
Do you think that I'm fortunate to get those scripts? Otherwise, in my earlier age, I could have said, "Abhi karti hu female centric," but आने भी चाहिए थे, to be honest. But I think now great scripts also get offered to me.
Yeah.
That's what.
No, it will continue to. Even the fact that you're doing Man, and it's coming out this year, you said ये एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जहाँ पे मुझे थेरेपी की ज़रूरत पड़ी, बट जबकि मैंने थेरेपी कभी लिया नहीं है. ऐसा क्या हुआ वो फिल्मिंग के दौरान that you felt like you needed to really, because you said that I switch off.
Yeah.
What changed in Man?
So again, when I heard the script, I thought ठीक है कर लेंगे, and it's a nice thriller and all of that. So Man came during my wedding, you know. The thing was, एक जगह इतनी जहाँ पे जश्न हो रहे हैं, खुशियाँ हैं, and you know, then there is something. There are a lot of scenes in the film where, you know, they make you think about life, about women, you know, you being a woman, you know, there's so many things, and I can't say much about it, but when you see it, me doing those scenes just got onto my head, and it was just a month or two before my wedding, and maybe a month, less than a month. So there was so much going on in my mind, and like there were times where if I'm crying in the scene, after the shot I was still crying.
Oh God.
Because it just disturbed me. That a woman had to go through so much, and you know how she has to come back and fight for herself. Of course, there's a lot of women empowerment in that film, in that script specifically. But that's one script that I'm very proud of. And I'm proud that I did that script, and I'm proud that that film is shaped up so well.
Has a lot changed after marriage?
Yeah, my address. Yeah, now we don't know where to send gifts.
That's a good change.
Yeah, that's a good change. Except that I have a roomie.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
And a ring.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it actually.
But doesn't it get like, you know, as a woman to kind of balance out both? Because that does get a little more, मतलब responsibilities थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है.
To be honest, मेरी तो responsibilities कम लगती हैं मुझे.
क्यों ऐसे?
Because his family is so welcoming.
How sweet.
They spoil me so much, and Sohail himself, he spoils me a lot, and I mean, it's just like living with your best friend, and it's wonderful, and there's so much love around, and so much encouragement. Do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
And they give me more wings for my ambition, so that's amazing.
That's like a supporter. You have a strong support system.
My biggest cheerleader is my family.
Yeah.
If there's MY3 releasing, there'll be another. One room will watch 2 episodes, another room will watch 3 episodes. The whole house will be watching it.
Do you watch your own work? Never.
I mean, I do see the rushes. I see the rough edits, but I don't see it.
Is that a conscious decision कि ये नहीं
I am too hard on myself.
Yeah.
And I know that. But then I'm like... And when I'm watching even the edit, I do not want anyone next to me.
Yeah.
Because then I'll drive them mad. I was like... And then I'll be like, this, I wish I could look better here. Or maybe I could have taken a better timing.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Does vanity ever bother you in terms of like we see a lot of people in the industry, unko jab they take vanity a bit too seriously. This is what I've heard from a lot of people.
Of course, I'm edgy about it. But at the same time, I'm realistic about it. अभी कोई फिल्म आप realistic film करो तो आप इतने बंधन के नहीं बैठ सकते. There are times where you have to be raw, without makeup, hair. I've done a film where I've woken up and just you know, taken a shower and then come in the continuity clothes and nothing I've done to my hair and makeup.
Wow, yeah.
But there are films where you have to take a lot of efforts for your looks. So I think I change according to the character.
And you're okay completely being raw for the role.
To be honest, makeup, hair doesn't really like, unless there's promotions or pictures getting circulated or something like that, then I take efforts. But in my own personal makeup kit also, you'll not see a foundation.
Oh.
Yeah.
You don't need, your skin is
No,
amazing.
you're kind. But I do not have a foundation. All I have is a lipstick every time that I just put. No lip balms, nothing. And yeah, I can go without makeup for days.
I'm sure there are a lot of girls wanting to know what's your skincare routine, how do you maintain the skin. Being a girl, I can see it up close, and I'm
so
like,
fun.
that's a lot of work that goes to maintain yourself on a daily basis.
Yes, but the fact is I do very minimal.
Oh.
Very, very, very minimal.
Less is more.
Less is more. My mother, if I tell her I want to try this, not at all, Hansika. Just drink water. Just drink water. Hydrate yourself, Hansika. My mother will just start saying, I was like, yeah, mummy, yeah, mummy. So that's one thing. But I do very, very less for my skin.
Even the fact that you had said once that when you wanted to source clothes, then some designers wouldn't source clothes because you were a South actor.
Yeah, this is South actor.
And then the same people came to you when this whole Pan India came into the picture. How did you, react to them, and what did you have to say when those same people came to you?
See, I don't hold grudges. Okay, they didn't think it's worth it that time. Now they think it's worth it. Okay, I also wore the outfits and I went for the event. I didn't wear it because they came back. I wore it because it looked good on me. And now we've come to a time where fashion is very important, but I'm also in a time where fashion is very comfortable for me.
Yeah.
Today I feel like wearing this, I'll wear. There was a time like salwar kameez kaun pehanta hai? Oh, abhi to denims hi chalu hai. But for me, if I feel like wearing salwar kameez 7 days in a week, I will wear it. I'm a person who is very comfortable with my fashion, and when I'm going for an event and if I like a particular designer, I'll be like, theek hai, let's wear this. And it could be the biggest designer, and if it's not suiting me, it's not suiting me. But it should be about comfort.
Do you go up to directors and approach them for work, or are you open for auditions? Like, for example, now we are seeing, obviously, with KGF and RRR and now Jawan, Rajamouli sir, Atlee sir doing so well and giving us such great cinema, and people have started going to the theatres again. Do you kind of, speak to them and ask them that, so I would like to work for your next?
Well, I do not shy away from saying or going to any director and saying, sir, if there's any character for me, I would love to play, or I could audition for it, whatever. But I don't shy away from saying that.
You started off with Allu Arjun sir, and now, when you look back at your journey, do you all ever speak about, kaise the wo din?
Me and Bunny, me and Arjun, I think this was a week back where he sent me a picture of us from Desamudra. He's like, see, Hansu, we were so little. And I was like, yeah, you're so little. But he's an amazing person, and he has a great sense of humor. He's a person that you love to be around.
Yeah.
And we still look back, and I still remember the first time me and Arjun met. We were doing a photo shoot, and meantime the camera was getting set up. He and me were playing X and Zero on the floor. I still remember. That's how we started speaking.
But is it true somewhere, because everyone says like Junior NTR sir, Allu Arjun sir, a lot of South actors are actually very shy off camera?
I don't think they're shy. It's a very personal thing. Arjun is definitely not shy, I feel. But I don't think any of them are shy. Or maybe I know them personally. I can't really answer
Yeah,
this.
actually, because
how would I know them? I know them off camera, and
एक bond बन जाता है.
एक bond बन जाता है, हाँ.
All the very best for
Thank you.
MY3 and everything coming forward. We'll see you super soon.
Thank you. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.